How to pay with Shein gift card. First things first is, of course, launch your Shein application and ensure that you're using the latest version of the app. And make sure that you're fully logged into your account. And then, since you would like to make your gift card as one of your payment method, then you'll have to go into your checkout page. First things first is simply add any items to your cart and head directly to your checkout page. Now, for you to access payment methods, make sure that you fully fill out necessary informations like your shipping method or your shipping address. And once you're here, just simply scroll down and head over to the gift card field. Now input the gift card number and as well as the gift card PIN number and hit on apply. Take note that make sure that the gift card amount that you have from Shein is higher than the value of the card or the items that you will be paying. Otherwise, you will be redirected to use your other payment method if it is less than your gift card balance. And that's it. That's how you pay with Shein gift card.